Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the guest faculty recruitment notification from the government university, and here the vacancies are there from the 48 departments. So it is a wonderful opportunity, and there is an opportunity for the UGC as well as the non-UGC candidates also. There is no application fee and no exam. Directly you can go for the walk-in interview by simply mail your resume to the provided mail IDs as per the departmental wise. Okay, so let us see the details regarding this notification in detail. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, first here we will see the departments. Okay, here the departments are economics, geography, English, business studies, commerce, Hindi, geology, mathematics, physics, computer science, chemistry, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, linguistics, education, chemistry, life science, and Bachelor of Vocation Food Technology. And coming to the backlog vacancies, economics, psychology, business studies, mathematics and education. And coming to here, faculty on hourly basis, you can check down that economics, history, geography, English, psychology, business studies, social work, physics, computer science, construction, technical engineering and CADMA engineering, CST engineering, music or Hindustani vocal, education, mathematics, chemistry, environmental science, life science, tourism and hotel management, and food technology. And faculty on hourly basis, economics and the mathematics. So total these are the different departments, guys. So here the vacancies are also, the two modes are there. Coming to the first one, contractual basis faculty, and here the number of vacancies as per the caste category also mentioned here. So this one is also backlog contractual basis faculty, and next one is the faculty on hourly basis. So the two types of recruitment, one is a faculty on hourly basis and second one is a contractual basis faculty. And here you can check down at the rightmost side, interested and eligible candidates can send CV, that is biodata resume, to below email IDs department wise as follows. So whatever the department you belongs to, so you may send your biodata to the respective departments which are provided here. So you need not to send any, hard copies, okay, and you need not to pay any fee here. And while coming to the university, it is a Central University of Karnataka. So this notification released on 5th December 2020, and applications are invited from the eligible candidates for engagement as faculty in the various departments purely on a contractual basis and hourly basis for one semester or till further arrangements made, whichever is the earlier. The details of the post and the number of positions are given here, and the interested candidates have a minimum qualification and the fulfilling other eligibility conditions may attend the walk-in interview through online. Okay, schedule will be uploaded on CUK website shortly along with their detailed biodata and all certificates and mark sheets in original in support of qualifications and experiences, etc. So here walk-in interview is also through online is there. So which will be very much beneficial to you without any traveling expenses, okay, or without wasting your time. So simply send your biodata to the provided mail ID, okay, and then wait for the link to attend for the online walk-in interview. And coming to the remuneration per month, it is a consolidated. The engagement is purely on temporary basis for a period of one semester only. For the engagement on contractual basis, or faculty shall be paid a remuneration of 40,000 rupees per month for candidates possessing UGC or CSI or NET or SLET, and 45,000 rupees for candidates possessing UGC or CSI or NET or SLET along with the PhD in the relevant subject. And the engaged teacher assistant on hourly basis shall be paid 1,000 rupees per hour as per the UGC norms to the maximum of 25,000 rupees per month. And then no other emoluments or allowance will not be there. No vacation salary is payable. No compensatory leaves are applicable. And coming to the qualifications, experience, and the roster points, all these things are mentioned here. So you may check down master's degree with 55% of marks, and apart from this one, the qualification of NET, SLET or SET is necessary. And the candidates who finish the PhD prior 2009, then they are exempted from the UGC, NET or SLET or SET qualification. Okay, so you can check down, and as per the departmental wise also you can check down. The minimum qualifications for recruitment in management are as follows for the remaining subject. So essential qualification, bachelor's degree in any discipline and a master's degree with NET qualification, and the desirable is the teaching, research or industrial qualification with paper presentations. And like that, the minimum qualification for the tourism and hotel management. And while coming to the engineering, so coming to the engineering, it is not necessary to clear the UGC NET. Okay, the BE, BTech and the ME, MTech is enough. Okay, and so similarly, you can check down the qualifications for the remaining departments also. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Fine. So please go through the remaining general conditions or terms, everything clearly for accurate and the more details. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.